Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is April. I go by Ruby Rouge on the YouTubes. For now, I'm thinking of making some changes to my channel here in the near future. But thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you do in fact like. Please feel free to comment. Let me know what kind of stuff you guys got in your boxes. Today is the Beautylish Lucky Bags unboxing video. It's one of my favorite surprises of the year. I won't keep you too long with the details of the box. It's a mystery box based on the premise of Japanese lucky bags. It is a way for companies to get rid of excess inventory at a discounted price and make way for new fresh products of the new year. They are sold out for this year, but if you'd like to acquire one for next year, there's normally an email sign up on the Beautylish website. And this is an XL box, and now let's do the fun part and open this up. Sorry, my fingernails aren't so great. I've been out of town and now I am not feeling well. That's always amazing. But here we are. Here we are. The paper is always a joy. So this is the Lucky Bag 2023. So, here we go. I'm actually going to move this off camera because once I start opening this, you're going to be able to see what's in the box. So I do try not to look too much so that I'm surprised as well. The very first product, Oribe Côte d'Azur Replenishing Body Wash. I really do like the Oribe products. I have never, oh, that smells really nice. I have never tried a body wash for them, but I was introduced to Oribe from Lucky Bag, and I really enjoy their hair products. Their hair volumizer is one of my favorites. This next product is Good Molecules Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the ingredients to see if this is something I can actually use or not. But I am always looking for a sunscreen that I can use. A lot of them break me out, and it's oils and silicones that are the problem. So I'll have to look and see what this has in it. But I've been really happy with the Good Molecules products that I've gotten from Beautylish. Ooh, a palette from Viseart. Okay, I don't know. I have quite a few of these because Viseart is my favorite brand of eyeshadow. And I don't think I have this one yet. Oh, I'm so not sure. I'm very tempted to go look. Okay, so I don't have this one. I have Lilas 1, which is this palette here. So I'll show you that one just so we can compare really quickly. They are very, very, very similar, aren't they? Okay, we're going to go, these two shades look like they're the same. So we're going to do Lilas 1 on top because that makes the most sense, Lilas 2 on the bottom. So those are very similar. This shade look pretty similar. So this is Lilas 1 on top, Lilas 2 on the bottom. And they are in fact quite similar. But then the other two shades are definitely different, and I love Viseart. I would have bought this anyways at some point. I just hadn't bought it yet, so I already know. Because I have plans to collect all of these, so I'm really happy with this. There we go. Yay! Okay, next I received the Wayne Goss Luxury Lipstick in Nutmeg. I have some of the Wayne Goss lipsticks. I have Walnut and Cashew, so this is a new one, so I will swatch it. I do really like the formulation of these. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh yeah. That's a really nice color. This is a blush refill from MOB. Whoa, look at that blush though. Let's see. I'm sure a lot of times blushes look really That may be too pigmented for me, but I definitely will try it. And then right after that, we have the MOB. I guess that's how you say this. We have the actual compact. So cute. Okay, opened up. I think I would prefer these just to be magnetic on the bottom, but there we go. So the next thing from my box is this Wayne Goss lip pencil in medium nude. I'm not going to open this one because I know that I have that product already, and it's something that I actually do really like. Look, it's pretty well loved. I like these. I need sharpen, sorry. I really like these liners, so I'll be happy to pass that along. Okay, a scrunchie. Pure Silk Sleep Scrunchie. Oh, that's exciting. I actually bought a silk pillowcase, and I do wear a cap when I sleep, but I do still have to put my hair, usually put my hair in, I guess, loose scrunchie under the cap because I have really long hair. So, cool. That's exciting. I'm a little feeling anticipatory right here because this looks really promising. What is it? Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. So about, was it last year or the box before that, Beautylish introduced me to the Sonia G brushes, and absolutely hands down one of my favorite brushes I have in my collection. They also had introduced me to Wayne Goss. I love my Goss brushes. I wanted to try more Sonia G brushes. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So excited, so excited, so excited. I'm so excited. This is the Jumbo Worker, the Blender. Oh my gosh. Like, I want to go do my makeup right now. The Builder, the Detail, and the Worker, another Worker. I think they have like a small Worker and a... I'm super pumped. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, this is also really exciting. Not at the level of expense of the last one, but I had been eyeballing these. As you can see, it's only $29, but I had been eyeballing this trio, and I was talking myself out of it over and over again. I love my Briogeo Deep Conditioning Mask. I'm currently out, and I had been wanting to try these, but just, it's like, I don't need to buy it, so I talked myself out of it, but I'm super excited to have it. Yay! So excited. And then lastly, I don't know what this is. Hendash. Okay. Hendash Monochromance. So I received a Hendash palette last year in my box. And this is very similar. In the way that it looks. I used that palette a few times. And it never really stuck with me, but this one is... So I wanted to dig out the one I got last year just to show you. So last year I got this one. I've used it a couple times, but... you know, it just really hasn't stood out to me as something to use. However, guys, I have way too much makeup, and I think most of us do, so just because something doesn't get used doesn't always mean that it's not any good. Yeah, so I'll play with this. So swatch it out first.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Okay, I thought we could play a little quick rundown of the prices plus level of excitement to wrap up the box, what I got. This is probably the least exciting thing I got. The price on this was $23 plus $5, just because I'm not pretty sure I'm not going to be able to use that And I really didn't need another blush, but I don't know. You know, I'm open to change my mind. But for whatever reason, that was the least exciting thing that I got. The next was just this Wayne Goss lip liner, just because I do already have this color. So the price on this was $14. Next is the Good Molecules sunscreen. I'm kind of excited about this just because I think I might be able to use it. However, it does have grapeseed oil in it, so that's kind of making me like, I don't know if I can even use this. Therefore, it puts it lower down on the list. So $12 here. Code does your from Orbay body wash, $17 here. I mean, I'm pretty excited about that. Overall, I'm at least a little bit excited about every single thing in my box. So next is actually the Hen Dash palette, just because I don't know, I wouldn't have bought this. I wouldn't have picked this out for me. I wouldn't love last year's. It's $70. Like, I don't know. Just not super excited about it. That does not mean it's not good. It just means I'm not as excited about it as I would have been something else. Then we have the Wayne Goss lipstick. I'm actually pretty excited about that one. I love the formula there. Those are $28 full retail. I couldn't find the price on this single silk scrunchie, but I'm actually pretty excited to try this. It's $8 though is what the 2-pack was $16. So then the Briogeo masks, $29 on those. The VZ Art palette, $25 for that. And then the thing I am absolutely most excited about, obviously, were these Sonia G brushes. These came in a set. It was the Fusion Eye series for $145. Overall, the grand total full price for all of the items in my box would have been $376. I paid $175. That's about a $200 surplus. The brushes were really the big thing for me. $145 here. That pretty much covers the price of the box. So all the other stuff I just see as really a bonus. Like these two things. And then the rest of it's just a bonus of things that I get to try. And you know, based on this box, I will probably purchase another box again next year. Alright, you guys. So it was great to see you. Thank you so much. And I will see you again soon. Bye.